Wairire vya umancho murire yawe getaseni kyandizi TV ne chinga kichinde ngo kwarigania temanya mangana maya senchera yobenge editoria ne Dorcas Kemuma nani goto kubwatarana nere Lydia Mose oyo kumanya gwitira senchera yemenyero nere Sara Momanyi kwana kinga mariogi ne chibicha agoikira senchera yobokenu okonyoria na bogo tobwati gwitira senchera yemitanda asensemo ya YouTube otonyaruna Ndizi TV News na boiga ensemere ya Facebook notorebuna Ndizi TV News Digital na mtandao wa website tunyarebuna www.ndizitv.net. Tokonya chaka mwancho marira ni goto wachakire kaunti ya Kisii ase ababwatani bekia magi ODM itukoria rero batwara egeikaro ase bakwanira chinyumba chubarari meye kaunti ya Kisii ase barenge gukwanira riberera rya gesiasa erio ryabeire rikororekana ase amatuko abwangoiga bagukwana ase egeikarekyo bonigo batwara bose baruta egekuro egetindi gocha ase onde bwensi oraire Kiara omugavana we county ya Kisii Simba arati asiboigo bagosoreire oba nani go barachi korobekana
muna chairman yakwanire na inche tindi kogenda kenyume na mangana atebire nga muntu nde bwensi pio koira Simba kiaro okunire ndoro ya muntu ki okunire ndoro yaki intu muna abasae gosase county ya Kisii ngocha katora maandamano totali korara nande kenyengi manema tengekere twachakira maandamano yes. So we are telling the agencies or the security agencies that if you are not going to respect Governor Simba Arati, tukichukua sheria katika mikononi yetu, mutaona cha mtemakuni, hatutarudi nyuma. We will make sure that Governor Simba mpaka amekuwa respected. Simba power! Power!
Homoyega bokwa abana obasemia ni goika omwairi oritukoria rero imeye county ya Nyamira umorobiri yo obeteke gochaka ritukoria Jumatatu nigo era rero ase aborokiwa abo bagosirwa n'umugavana we county ya Nyamira Mose nyaribo baba bakoegwa obasemi gosekonya babeire bakoegwa obasemi ase egika kyamatuko atatu ase boigo baboriwe kugendera kubeka omukya ase amasomo abo naboigo twara chimbo chingia nabigo nigo mugavana we county ya Nyamira Mose nyaribo egati ya baraibande waikirana ase omuyegoye
sasa muongeze yale ya CBC.
To thank you that God be with you, you continue touching more so that we can make our county to grow, and for the beneficiaries, work hard, make use of this scholarship you have been given well. My governor, I was given a letter to come to this school. That was in 1986.
Togos kamote mwancho murira nigo omuraibwense Mosque Dr. William Ruto negati ya baraibande baikirana ase egeikaro kyo ogo kwanira igoro ye ngana ye chingeria ekyo kyarari tukoria ro kyarari egeikarekyo nigo kyabeteke gochaka ritukoria Jumatatu ase babeire bagukwanira igoro ye chingeria ase abakori emirimo be serikali boigo kagukwana ase egeikarekyo Ruto nigatebemna nenchera ya moyo Kenya engeria asenseto ya Kenya nokobeka emeta oseno kubeka chinchera cyo gosangireria ebango ase emitandao yekirero eyoera chigosira nene asogo kukinia ebango gosego kinia chibesa asenseto ya Kenya naboigo gukora obukurumi.
More young people in Kenya in employment, they will contribute to baking a bigger cake, as was said by the chair of SRC. I also see an opportunity for us to enhance our revenue, because if you are talking of wage bill as a percentage of revenue, we must also look at how do we raise revenue? How do we make sure that counties are looking at own source revenue? How are they collecting more money? How do we digitize Kenya Revenue Authority? I want to confirm to the country that we are well on course. I believe that we can raise an extra 500 billion, if not an extra trillion, just by digitizing the Kenya Revenue Authority and getting money that currently we are not getting. It is possible for us to support our counties to raise more money so that we can have the ratio of wage bill to revenue in the right place. And number 3,
chinga kichobo igo nigo Ruto arireira buna nigo serikali yaye erachikone kinga ya kolire obokurumi ase serikali nena nabo igo ase serikali chechi county ase boigo arutage kurege tindi oche asaba koli emeremo be serikali bali babete bakurikwa na masakara yobolimo ase bono barachi kumukirwa egetambokero egetindi nabo igo kwegwa egesusuro egetindi ase bono barachi kone kiwanga bairanire chibeza chire chonsi konye baba ire bakonyora kurwa ase serikali ase kiria tebona nigo baguchikwene kinga abantu bonsi bairaniriye chibese cyo cyaba Kenya erinde chikigosira amagendero ase chinsemo au.
We can put more resources into development. And I think we have now stabilized what we needed to stabilize. We will now confront the monster of corruption head-on going forward. Whether it is in counties, whether it is in the national government, just imagine a simple audit of people working for government has revealed that we have 2,100 so far people with fake certificates working for government. And just a simple audit. And from this conference, Madam Chair, I hope we are going to add one more resolution on fake certificates. Those who have earned money using fake certificates should refund us our public money. Isn't it equivalent to obtaining by false pretense or something? You know? And those who are in government offices today with fake certificates, they should leave. They should resign and go away and look for money to pay us public resources that they have earned falsely. And that chain continues. That chain continues.
Togotigana na yo bokurume na gosikamontweni gomokonye bomorai wense rigatika shawa keire ekoko ababwatani bobo mobwe chinse ase okokogendera gosira ense ya Kenya na boigo gokora buya ase ogoene kinga ense ya Kenya yabire ko gosira gosiga konyora gosira korwe ase bare nigo boigo abatebna nigo ase kekeiga ense ya Kenya bono ebegete borindi ogose yatingerie oborindi asensemo ye biashara asebono ababorire kwene kinganko gendera bale kuba ababwatani bense ya Kenya nanene kubeka ebyasara byabo aiga Kenya.
More so, sir, but to be with you today. Thank you so much for making the time. I'm here, and again, you mentioned it in your remarks, sir, that we need economy. Adding
together, we delivered for the long term.
From you and from government in response to all of that.
So the UN family, this is your home. And we don't take for granted the programs that you have for our beautiful country. And again, I remain forever indebted to all of you for the support that you gave us when we had the worst drought in 40 years. I don't know what we would have done without your support and interventions. Again, we are very excited by the ongoing plans to enhance the UN presence in this country by enlarging the facilities at Gigiri so that UN can be very strong.
Togotigana nayo nakogenda asensemo yechipara nimnenchere yamo yogokyania emebasokano ase chipara imeyense eyo yarorekanire egokina ase amatuka bwangoiga nigo moraibwense Dr. William Ruto ritukoria rero achakia umorobe yobene uyorachi kobeka amachiko yokwenekinga ngokyania bare emebasokano ase chipara kaukwana ase omosangerekano yokorekana imeyomacho Nairobi Ruto nigo bona tebamna nigo kwa goseri yaki na ryo ryagerire emabasokano egendrete guichora ase ense ya Kenya nabo igo obokurumi nabo bwagerire abantu batari kumukirwa egetambukiro ase okobuna amachiko ase chipara ase bono abolire abagendi bonsi gotukubo kwenekinga nkobwatia bare amachiko ase chipara nabo igo no nyambali bagutumeka chipara babe maiso chingaki bare ase chipara nabo igo nigo atemena niga machiko arachiko bekwa bokongo erikwenekinga abantu bali babwate gose batari kubwatia amachiko na maragwari abekire ase chipara nkwimukirwa bare getambukiro egetindi ase bono arachikwenekinga nonya nechikamera chapara chabekire erikwenekinga ngotinya bare oborende asensemo yegosengo kyania bare emibasokano asensemo yechipara.
Various actors in the public and private sector, civil society organizations, the media, development partners who are present here, actors in the whole of this space, and I have been privileged to listen to many people who have very positive contributions to make to tame this menace. In the public sector, our justice, law and order agencies must coordinate the sustained robust law enforcement by ensuring that offenders are detected, apprehended, prosecuted, punished swiftly and transparently. Corruption is an enabler of impunity and a significant contributor to road carnage. We all know how the contribution of corruption aids overspeeding, reckless driving, drunk driving, and allows those who commit these crimes to escape because they can bribe their way through our system. Road users, especially the private sector transport operators, as well as the motoring community, also have a road safety requirement without seeking shortcuts. Evading inspection, neglecting motor vehicle safety maintenance, reckless behavior on the road, and paying bribes to avoid accountability are serious forms of contributory misconduct. The media and civil society also have a role to complement public and private sector efforts to provide training, education, and awareness with regard to responsible road behavior and
Moncho murigeria robotoro igoro yogokyania mibasokano ase chipara na ruoro gutekeri omwero bwa mangana maya senchera yobenge gendera kurigeta sene kya Ndizi TV elibwesemye na boigo kwego kyana kwemanya amange twara oburigererio buya rieteria ne Dorcas Kemuma na nigoto bateranene Lydia Mose oyore gukumanya wetera senchera yemanyere nere Sara Momanyi aine kinga mario gine chibicha wekere asenchera yobwekirano.
Omoiburi koiru mwana we skuru mbuya korende nkobwatire skuru kikwa moira eriyo konyora migirio yebirengo bigoro Porters Premium School na obagosoira ime nigo babwate ebirasi kurwa playgroup PP1 PP2 grade 1 gweka grade 3 eskuru nigebwate aborokia babwatu Momanyi bwigoro na boigo ubaisaine nigeren semo tabwatirioge erengia asogosomera mbabwata magacho yekerero kurwa balinde dagira ya balanced diet nechigari chobo sombi nkwegeria bare amangana yobo Kristo eri ukorongeje chimbwa cyabana bamura n'abanyaruka lero eskurugia asumurubiri CBC ime ya Kisii nigo babwate ebirasi bibwata amabaga manene laboratory ibwate equipment chonsi naboigo ribagari nene aborokigwa bakogosoreria mbabwate music classes, swimming classes, computer studies, home science, young chef classes, Kenya Sign Language classes, naboigo clubs and societies. Utarigotiga magiga kigosori chonsi. Admission nigegenderete. Nigo bagotuka ensemo ya nyatiko angena mwisho walami chikilomita isano chuka kubwase tauni ya Kisii.
I love my school because it is the best place for learning. Welcome to Potter's Premium.
Vakirisimi asenamba enoti isano na ibere isateyemo isano ne moibere isano ne moibere isano ne zetu inye gose enoti isano na ibere yemo kianda isano isano ne zetu isano na ibere isato isano Potter's Premium School nyorero mwana oribaga genkyo.